Earlier this season, my friend Sofia Vergara was here, and I think I understood her when she said that Diet Pepsi was kicking off their Love Every Sip contest. We asked viewers to write in and tell us what they love for a chance to win tickets to the show and $10,000. Some of our finalists are here in the audience today, and I want to meet our first one, where is Vanessa Nikovich. I'm sorry, your last name is?
Nicolich.
Nicolich. And I said kind of close. And where do you live?
Right now I'm in Chicago, Illinois.
In Chicago. And the question was, what do you love to do? I think that was one of the questions, right?
Yes.
What do you love to do?
I love to smile.
You love to smile. I think that's a beautiful
It's a permanent thing.
Yeah. What if I said that you were our only finalist? So I think you're going to smile a whole lot when I give you a check for $10,000. Smile